In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set org-wide security in Zoho 1. By the end, you'll know how to build a reliable security foundation using security policies, so every user signs in safely and consistently. Start by signing in to your Zoho 1 admin panel. In the left navigation, open Directory, then Security, and choose Security Policies. Think of this dashboard as your control center. Everything you configure here can be applied across the organization or to specific groups, giving you both broad coverage and fine-grained control. Create a new policy by selecting Add Security Policy. Give it a clear, descriptive name, like Org-Wide Security, so it's easy to recognize later. Choose the groups the policy should cover. This could be all users or defined departments, and if needed, exclude specific users who shouldn't follow the policy. If you have multiple policies, set the priority so Zoho 1 knows which one wins when a user falls into more than one group. Higher numbers take precedence, so use priority to reflect your most stringent requirements. Now configure the core components. Start with the password policy. Set a strong minimum length and require a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Add password age or expiry to prompt regular changes and enable password history to prevent reusing old passwords. These settings raise the baseline of security without placing too much strain on users. Next, enable multi-factor authentication. Choose the methods your organization supports, such as an authenticator app, push approval, or SMS. App-based tokens are typically more resilient, so consider making them your default. Be sure to communicate the change to users and provide backup options so they aren't locked out during device changes. For allowed IPs, add trusted addresses or ranges to restrict sign-ins to approved networks. Always add your current IP before enforcing restrictions to avoid locking yourself out. If your teams work remotely, include VPN ranges or other secure network paths so access remains seamless and secure. Under Session Management and Lockout Controls, decide how many concurrent sessions a user can maintain and set thresholds for failed login attempts. Configure a lockout period that discourages brute force attempts while allowing legitimate users to recover quickly with admin help. When you save the policy, it immediately applies to the groups you selected. If a user is covered by multiple policies, the one with higher priority takes effect. You can update, deactivate, or delete policies as your needs evolve, and it's wise to test changes with a small pilot group first. Finally, for individual user exceptions, go to Directory, then Users. Open a user's profile and select the Security Policies tab. From there, you can add a policy to that user, exclude them from a group policy, or reset and disable MFA when appropriate approvals are in place. That's it. Your organization now has a structured, scalable security framework in Zoho 1.